Same little nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come and really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly, do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimpin' penny shit. Popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shake it, moving like the mini hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up a super saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I. Top tier, top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. Fuck what you doing tomorrow, if you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though.
Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my
living my life on the ledge, I'm a legend. My brother got caught with a weapon, by 12 he was only 11. Fast forward a nigga to 8 and I'm feeling like 007. These niggas be angry as hell and I swear I'ma send them to heaven. Me and my dog in the reverend, this shit is morbid to me. Women be orbiting me, winning is normal to me. People be doing the most when they get a little audience, be how you normally be. All of my niggas a little off, some of them niggas is really on. She got a wiggle inside her jeans, I do not know how she fit them on. Me and these niggas don't get along, they be looking at me like I did them wrong. About to hit the bank, then I hit the bong. On the same shit, just a different song. And I hopped in the game like a 6 man, hoping it make me a rich man. Lean on your bitch with a kickstand, she done snuck in the back with a wristband. It ain't new to me, truly I'm used to the foolery. Seem like I handle it suitably, so there ain't really shit you could do to me. And I think that it's best that they understand. Right now that I got the upper hand, gave her the pipe from the motherland. Now I bet you she don't need another man, I'm 100 grand.
Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up, they gon' say I changed up. Step my
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grab my hand, gave me the notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I was sipping Moet for 2 years straight to the face. Champagne belly bubbles still won't go away. Last year my best man hit a stain with bare face. Now he's got a hell behind the water's cold case. I wake up with pain sometime and never go away. Wonder why I bow down to my knees when I pray. In my city gritty, gotta keep it on your waist, or you might be a victim, they'll find you DOA. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you.
canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life